Hi, I'm Karina and welcome to my channel, Fit Me Plus 3. I'm so excited that you found this channel today and I can't wait to share with you the things that we have coming. I am a mom of 3 in Southern California, and in the past, after my first pregnancy with twin boys, I was able, through health and wellness and a fitness journey, to lose 72 pounds and be in the best health of my life. After having a third child and an emergency back surgery, as you might imagine, things derailed just a little bit, and we are back in action in order to make it happen and to get our life back through health and wellness. I'm using this channel to help motivate others, to show you that there are ways that you can make changes and adjustments to have fitness at home, to make sure that you're keeping your body moving, to always make healthy food choices. And I hope that you choose to subscribe today so that you can be back with us on Mondays. We have our motivation series and a second video every Friday where we will have other healthy tips for you. Thank you for stopping by today, and I hope to see you again soon.